Can a narcissist really be healed? Can someone who has been chronically emotionally abusive really effectively engage in treatment? I again want to help you sort out these questions, and I know they're very, very important questions. And in my opinion, there's a lot of information and misinformation out there on this topic. So I have this video series that I'd like you to watch all 5 videos. They're designed to help you walk through what needs to happen to determine if effective change is possible. I'm Dr. David Hawkins. I'm the director of the Marriage Recovery Center. I've written extensively on the topics of narcissism and narcissistic abuse and emotional abuse. All right, this is narcissistic and emotional abuse, 5 pillars needed for change. What's the first pillar? The first thing to really think through to determine, is change possible? The first pillar is recognition and responsibility. All right, recognition and responsibility. What do I mean by that? And by the way, all these pillars go together, okay? So watch all 5 videos and then make your determination. But do it after you watch the 5 videos. Number 1, recognition and responsibility. It's critical that both parties fully understand the severity and depth of the problem. They don't have to be at a level of full acceptance of that problem at the beginning, all right? So if you've talked to your abusive mate and he denies, minimizes, rationalizes, defends, protects, blame shifts, okay, I get that. And I would expect that at the onset, at the beginning. But is there some recognition that there's a problem that really needs to be addressed? Have you fully accepted the fact that this is emotional abuse? It's narcissistic and emotional abuse. Has the victim come to a full acceptance that this is not just a little bit of bad behavior? This is emotional abuse. This is not a couples issue. This is not a two-way street. These are not problems that are co-created, and they are not problems to be co-healed. This is an issue of emotional abuse, and that's got to be dealt with first and foremost before you can move into other aspects of couples counseling. All right, so I'm going to stop there and make a note of this now. So recognition, do you recognize? Have you read up? Have you watched the videos? Do you understand what emotional abuse is? Is he willing to at least watch some videos and consider the possibility that he is emotionally abusive? By the way, if the answer is no, then make a note as to no. And that's going to lead us into the next several videos. All right, subscribe on our YouTube channel and watch the following videos, and we're going to build upon recognition, responsibility, intervention, treatment, accountability, and then maintenance. So we're going to look at all of those pieces to determine what is the likelihood and the possibility of real change happening. All right, I look forward to working with you and arriving at that last video where we determine and agree together what are the possibilities of real change.